Hi everyone, Greg here. Today we're going to be learning the Go Jetters theme. Okay, so what we're going to do is, parents, I'm going to teach you how to play it first, and I'm also going to show you the ways in which you can pass musical information on to your children. We're just going to learn the first 7 notes. That's the cool bit, which goes go, 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 go Jetters, like that. Okay, and the simplest way to show your kids how to play something is just to play it yourself with your hands. So I've made a little video of myself playing it. Here we go. Let's watch that again. Okay, so notice there, I'm using 3 fingers. Start with the middle finger, go to the thumb, second finger, back to the middle finger. So if you can do that, then you're setting a great example to your kids. Also notice how my middle finger, the starting finger, which is on the note A, is resting, there's a group of 3 black notes, it's resting just inside the right note of the group of 3. So that's where the note A is. Now let's flip over to synesthesia and look at how this looks over here. So in synesthesia, we can see you've got 3 black notes again, and that number 3 is where your middle finger is going to go in preparation for the note A. So you can see that we're preparing to play the note A with finger 3. So let's try that. Here we go. Let's try it again. Look out for those finger numbers. Okay, let's just rock back to the beginning as well, let it resettle itself. So there we go. So that view is really good for pulling your children's attention towards the screen, so away from the keyboard, up to the screen, which is great because then you've got to feel where the fingers are. And of course, we use the finger numbers really to get them to focus on which fingers they're using. It's very good for this. So finally, the last view that I like so much is that one that we all want to get to in the end. It's that one with just the sheet music. I'm going to leave the keyboard in today, but we might even want to get the keyboard out by the end. So just a reminder, this is still an interactive platform, so when I play a note on the keyboard, you see that little red blob moving up and down, that correlates to the note. Okay, let me just go over here. You can see it's up here somewhere. Yep. So just play some of these notes again. You can see it going up and down. It's a great tool to show your kids where the notes on the keyboard land on the stave. So let's play it like this. Here we go. And one more time. Okay, and that's it really. So 3 different ways of passing on information, and eventually we want everybody to get to that last one. We want to be reading the music. Of course, the great thing about synesthesia is we can also talk about, all these low notes down here. Oh, where have they gone? All the high notes up here as well. We can show them the stave, and we can show that relationship, the high notes up at the top, the low notes down the bottom. Hopefully this will all sink in, and of course you can demonstrate how to play with 3 fingers. So well done. I'll see you at the next tutorial. Bye.